Yeah, my name's Mr. Godwin Sama. I'm from Cameroon. So I came here for operation for knee replacement. So I came here, I got a doctor called Dr. Gerard. Dr. Gerard did everything for me to be possible.
Mr. Godwin visited to us from Cameroon with a deformed knee. He had previously undergone a knee replacement surgery which had failed. When he presented to us in the clinic, his knee was in a valgus deformity with an hyperextension. This indicated that his ligaments, which were supposed to function normally after a knee replacement, were now compromised and not working properly. His X-ray showed that there is a metal-on-metal articulation. In short, it means that the metal parts that had been implanted during the knee replacement were now rubbing against each other and causing problems. We proceeded to do a CT scan, which confirmed our suspicion of a massive bone loss inside. This surgery required a meticulous planning and execution. After ruling out infection, we proceeded to do a single-stage knee revision surgery, which required the implants to be removed, and reconstruction with metal augments, stems, and a hinged knee prosthesis. The surgery was uneventful because of meticulous planning and execution.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gerard, because when I was coming here, my leg had a problem, my knee had a problem. I was moving but this way. But finally, I came here to change every knee. My knees are now straight and strong. And this hospital is nice. They took care of me till today. I'll be going back in my county in Cameroon. Thank you, GHC Hospital. I'm being well treated in this hospital. Going to Dr. Gerard, I'm very happy to this hospital, GHC. Thanks, Mr. Gerard, all the nurses in this hospital, all the doctors.